Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am drawing a beautiful girl drawing, or you can call it as a portrait of a girl praying. First I've started with the eyebrows and eye friends. With the thick long eyebrows. And the nose here comes here. Now you can see the details of the lip. The eyelids, you can see the eyes closed actually, and she's praying. In the drawing you can see the girl praying, and the long eyelashes which enhance the drawing, beauty of the drawing. Given a darker shade for the eyelashes to highlight, drawing the outline darker. Today I've used what you call 5B pencil, which gives pretty good dark shade. Now I'm giving the details for the eyebrows. It looks so natural, friends. You can see the details here. Long eyebrows. So the darker the eyebrows, the picture looks very attractive if you define the eyebrows properly. So I'm done with it. Just giving a final touch for the eyelashes, so it looks natural. And now we're going to draw the shape of the face. Give a oval shape. And the details, now I'm drawing the details of the hair. We're going to color the hair black on both the sides because it's short hair. Now I'm coloring the lips. Towards upward stroke, so the lip look natural. Drawing the outline as well. You can see, friends, the lip looks so natural and so real. I'm giving the outline as well, so the lip look more real. Drawing it little darker. So it looks natural and beautiful. You can see the lip, the smile on the face. It looks so natural, friends, and beautiful. So you can see the close-up of the lips, the fine lines and all that. It's so fab. I've used my fingers to highlight or give it a beautiful tint. Wow. Now I'm drawing the nose. I'm highlighting the nose, so it looks more natural. When you shade the nose a little bit darker, the outline especially, it defines a natural look actually. You can see it in the close-up. I'm giving lines below the eyes, so it looks more natural. On the laugh line, a light stroke. So it defines the cheek lines. You can see, friends, you can see the close-up. It looks so natural, and the cheek, defining the cheeks. It looks so real. The hair beautifully falls on the face, giving it a good shape of the haircut or the hairstyle. Yes, friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video, and I've got my QR code, friends. I want to share with you all. I think everybody whoever is having a channel have got their QR code from YouTube. You can share your QR code and subscribe the channel. You can share it with your friends. Now I'm just drawing the eyelid, so it defines the eyes more beautifully. It gives the full look of the picture. Drawing the outline. This gives the complete look of the picture, friends. Wow, it looks beautiful. You can see the drawing, so awesome, friends. Please like the video, subscribe, share the video. Like, subscribe, support my channel. You can see the pic, it's so beautiful, just fab, looking like a wow. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.